You know that YouTube now allow you to use a handle like that of Twitter and other social media handle. Yeah, they have. And the reason for this is to increase your visibility, to allow new audience to follow you, to allow you to be mentioned in comments, to allow you to be tagged in a collabo. Maybe you have just collaborated with someone in the new video, and while the person is trying to write the title, the person can also tag you or mention your handle so that more people can see you or recognize you. The reason for this is for you to be well recognized consistently on YouTube, and it's quite easy. Although they've started allowing people to choose their handle name, and people have started doing that, but it will be actively active, not that word, comes November 14. And for you to create your handle, it is very easy. Just come up with your YouTube app. This is the one I'm using on my phone. I'm currently on my phone, and if you want to do it, you just open your YouTube app, you open your channel, you just come to the top, select the right stop to select your account, then you select your channel. Once you select your channel, ensure you have the channel active. Select your channel. Once it loads up here, you come to select this pen in front of manage videos. You can just select this pen at the extreme. Once you select the edit, and this first option is name, then the second option is handle. Then you just select your handle, put your handle here. I've put my own, and you click OK. Once you are done, just move back and your handle will be saved. That is how to create an handle on YouTube. And by so doing, you can simply send your link by saying youtube.com or www.youtube.com/yourhandle at your handle. Very simple, very easy. Start using it to increase your visibility and attract more audience. I'll see you later. My name is Obafunde. Give your like, give your comment, share my video. Bye for now.